Welcome back to our show. You should know who we are, but if you don't, I am Nikki and this is Jacob. And tell them what we're making.
Today we're going to make pizza again. But this one's a little bit different. We're making a dessert pizza.
And a bar pizza.
And we're making a bar pizza. It's a real simple, crispy, thin bar pizza. Just takes a couple minutes. And I think we're going to get started with our dessert pizza because we've got it right in front of us. This is just sugar cookie dough that we got at the store. Flattened it out, baked it, and we're going to... What are we going to do? You know the recipe.
So we need to cream together the cream cheese and the sugar and the vanilla.
Okay.
So we'll just throw it all in the bowl.
Yeah, just go ahead and put it in there.
You want softened cream cheese, 8 ounces, one package. Mm-hmm. And then a 1/3 cup of sugar. And then just a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We got this recipe from my mom's friend. We've had it forever.
Alright, I'm going to toss this in the mixer back here. That's ready to go.
Alright, and then we're just going to spread it on the cookie.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to decorate it with our fruit here.
Start putting this stuff onto the dough.
It doesn't look like a whole lot, does it?
No.
No, he wants to be Jacob and do everything. And show us that, you know.
Well, look, the cookie's still warm. Look, see, some of it's already melting.
You've got your own softened because it makes it soft. I'm just going to do it.
Just throw all that on there. Butter? Why would I need a butter?
Because it helps. It gets stuck on it, especially.
It's still going to get stuck on the knife. It's sticky. See, look, it's melting.
I'm not sure melting is
I
what we were
don't think
looking
melting
for.
is what we were wanting to do.
It is melting. This looks like butter. Kind of looks gross. Look at how much nicer it is. Okay, so you just kind of spread it out. Hopefully it won't melt when you guys make it. What went wrong? What do we do? We did what?
Yeah, we need to let the cookie cool more.
Oh. It looks really like mound. Like it doesn't look evenly spread.
You gotta keep the blade of the knife flat. Try to... It's also kind of an uneven cookie,
You
so...
can put it in the fridge before you top it.
It's okay, it just has character. It's fine, right?
It's not melting as much anymore.
No, it's good. Alright, can we decorate this thing?
Let me try to spread some of this out.
Alright, so now we're gonna decorate it. I'm putting grapes on the outside. I want to do grapes, strawberries, kiwis, and blueberries. Jacob, help me.
I don't know how you want this.
I want the blueberries in the middle
Like how many?
until it looks good.
Well, okay.
It's fine. And then just do this until it goes around in a circle. And then the strawberries. Post snoring. We told him no snoring.
He's probably awake too.
I'm not sure we specified the snoring.
I said no breathing.
It falls in there.
Yeah. Alright, good. And then
That one's completely sideways.
oh wow. There's always gotta be one like that. Here, let's just do the grapes here. Like this.
What?
It's peeling off.
What's peeling off?
The glue.
The glue?
Yeah.
Didn't...
Get me the juice.
Yeah, we just covered this with Elmer's glue.
Well, you
like
call
in elementary school.
you call mayonnaise glue.
Sandwich glue.
Yeah, you do call it glue.
It's sandwich glue. Keeps
Okay.
everything together.
This is cookie glue. This is soup.
Pizza glue.
Big shout out to Jerry McMillan for giving my mom this recipe many, many years ago. Not to call him older. but it was a long time ago. So.
You doing more blueberries?
Yeah, there's still some room.
I love Jake's style versus your style. Jake's like, give me a handful, I'm dumping these babies on here.
I worked in a pizza place for 2 years. That's just how you do it. You gotta go fast.
I'm sick of people calling me slow.
I didn't call you slow.
Didn't have to.
I didn't call you slow. I just said I'm fast.
No, we're putting them too close.
What? You didn't say you wanted them spaced out.
You gotta be able to keep the icing too.
The icing's underneath it.
Looks so good.
Alright, and that's our dessert pizza.
Yeah, now we're just gonna throw it in the fridge.
Yeah, we're gonna throw it in the oven.
We're just gonna throw it in the fridge and let it, set for a little bit. Okay, let's make some pizza.
Do you want to make our drinks first?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Which drink are we gonna make first?
We'll make yours.
So, this is a good drink. It's kind of like a Shirley Temple, right? The ginger ale and the strawberry. Except we're adding a little bit of
Green apple schnapps.
green apple stuff. Yeah.
So it's like a Shirley Temple, except not much at all.
So you add a good amount of your ginger ale and then a little bit of strawberries. Or you can add a lot of this stuff, it's fine.
That was a lot.
It's fine. Then you put a little bit in this. Give me a little bit. And then I'm just going to measure this out.
Yeah, probably.
It's a little bit more than a half.
That's fine.
So I get it. Ooh, try that. I can't even taste the green apple.
I can.
I can't.
Mine is a mezcal mule. So I've got ginger beer. And I'm going to take some mezcal. Mezcal is to tequila what scotch is to whiskey. It's like tequila, but it's a little bit different, a little bit smokier.
It smells like a hospital hallway.
So I'm going to add
It does.
1.5 ounces of mezcal, and then a splash of lime juice. Stir. Yeah, that's good. Because the ginger beer's got a lot more aromatic flavors than normal ginger ale.
Like earthy?
I
Aromatic.
like to say it makes it spicy.
It makes it a little spicier.
This
Because
boy
ginger has a little bit of...
vocabulary.
What? Because I said it's aromatic.
All right. That was good.
Yeah, these are some pretty good drinks.
I'm not trying yours.
Whatever. It's not even strong.
I don't even like it. It doesn't even smell good. It's not even pretty. It's just clear. Mine's prettier. It's pink.
Then why'd you put it in a copper mug that you can't see through?
That's your problem. It's got ginger ale in it. It's a mule drink.
Yeah.
Mule goes with copper.
Look how much she's learned this year.
Yeah, I know. So now we're going to get started on our bar pizza. Real simple. We're going to make our sauce real quick. It's a pretty basic tomato sauce that you can use on pizza. So here's what we got. Over here, we got garlic. I think this is about 3 cloves of garlic. You can use more or less depending on
How much you
how
want?
much you want. In here, I've got some oregano. I think I've got a little over a tablespoon of oregano. A healthy pinch of basil. I didn't measure it. I just grabbed a pinch of ground basil. I got
Sugar?
I got about a teaspoon of sugar, about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, some kosher salt, some black pepper, and that's it. Those are the seasonings for pizza sauce. Real simple. Got some tomato paste, some crushed tomatoes, and that's what we're gonna do. So let me
Tell me
turn
what
on
to
this
do
burner.
first. What do I do first?
Well, I'm going to get this going. We're going to throw a bit of olive oil in the bottom of our pot here. And the first thing we're going to do is saute our garlic.
Always knock on the fridge before you open it because you never know if you'll see a salad dressing. Did I say it right?
Yeah.
That was your joke for the day. You're welcome.
I'm putting some oil in the cast iron. We're going to use it in a little bit once the sauce is done. Alright, so we're going to start. Just toss our garlic in there. Let that start to cook up.
It's good.
Let it cook up until it starts to get fragrant. And then we'll toss in our tomato paste. Let that cook up.
Ooh, you hear it?
Yep.
Is it going to pop?
Maybe a little bit. It won't take long for the garlic to get fragrant.
Until you can smell it.
Okay. I'm going to toss some of our tomato paste in here. You don't need to use the whole thing. I'm going to use, it's probably close to 2 tablespoons worth. Maybe 3, if I'm being honest. You don't need all of it. So we're going to let that cook down with the garlic for a minute. We want to cook out some of the processed, like tinny flavor that you get with tomato paste, because it's in a can and it kind of picks up that weird flavor. So we want to let that cook out for a minute before we add anything else. Tomato paste is good because it gives it like a rich, like a deep tomato flavor, and it's actually makes something, I think it's called a sofrito. When you start to cook up like this, usually you have more vegetables in there like garlic and onion, sometimes peppers, and then you add the tomato paste.
I'm surprised there's not onions in this meal.
Well, it's pizza sauce. You don't really put onions in pizza sauce, you put it on top of the pizza.
No.
Is this your own recipe?
Kind of. This one I'm just shooting from the hip. I don't have a recipe.
So it is your own recipe.
Yeah, I mean, I've made pizza sauce like this before, so it's kind of just like I'm making it up as I go along. Alright.
It's okay, I trust you.
Alright, we're going to add our crushed tomatoes now. It's going to bubble a bit. Alright, stir that up. Okay. I'm going to throw in our spices.
Oh, it looks good.
Mm-hmm. Throw that out for me.
Yep.
We'll turn the heat down a
Amy,
little bit so it
recycle?
doesn't pop as much. Because we've got these brand new white aprons that we're going to get tomato sauce all over.
Yeah.
But they sure are pretty.
Yes, they are. It's okay. OxyClean.
We didn't even mention those in the intro.
That's
We should have.
Oh,
We'll put it in the outro.
it's all your fault.
You're the one who did the intro.
It's all your fault.
And you actually never said, welcome back to From Simmer to Sizzle.
No, I didn't because that's lame. That's what we've been doing for a year now.
Mixing it up now.
Yeah.
She's been saying she wants to make a new intro.
Yeah, because ours is kind of boring.
Alright, let me see.
People probably make fun of us when they click on the video. Hi, welcome back to From Summer to Sizzle. That's nice.
Don't worry. Don't worry. We don't get many views.
No, we don't have any fans. It's fine. I want to try it. You
That's
can
pretty
really
good.
try it. Too hot.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It popped right when I did that. Did you see that?
Mhm.
Yeah. Oops.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Yeah, that is good.
Okay,
I think
let's
we're ready.
get this going. I'm hungry.
So, what we're going to do, turn this on medium heat, medium high I think is what I have it on. And we're going to actually let that heat up for a second. We don't want to let it like really start rolling before we put it in there, but what?
Put it this way.
No, this is the bottom side of the tortilla. part with all the blisters on it, that's what you want on the bottom. Okay. Gonna put some of our tomato sauce on there.
You made me bar pizza a couple weeks ago for lunch.
Mm-hmm.
Did you do this same sauce or no?
No, I think we had some pizza sauce left over because we made pizza a couple weeks ago.
No.
Now with a bar pizza like this, obviously it's on a tortilla. We didn't make our own crust. So you want to go thin with the sauce because otherwise the tortilla will get soggy.
Yeah, that's not good.
But you want to bring it all the way to the edge. Because nobody likes those kind of crusts.
What crust?
Like a crust on a pizza. Especially on this. So that's why you bring the sauce all the way to the edge. Okay. Now we're going to put cheese on it. We don't want to go too heavy on the cheese. Alright, I think that looks good. Some pepperonis. Just gonna toss these. Alright. And then hand me those basil leaves over there.
You want all of them?
I don't know yet. So fresh basil leaves are always good to put on a pizza and give it more flavor. It's really good when you put it on like with just some fresh mozzarella. Maybe we could make a margarita pizza. It is not ready yet. You want to put it on the stovetop like this so that the bottom can crisp up before you put it into the oven and cook the top of it. Ooh, yeah. Alright, I might have burnt the bottom. But we're just going to toss it in the broiler.
Jeez.
2 minutes. Ooh, look at that.
Okay.
Yeah.
What a party pizza.
And then the best thing to do is cut it while it's still hot. So I'm going to set it somewhere flat. Cut it into 4s.
That's so good. The bottom's not that burnt.
Nope. Jake says.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
The crust is like a cracker.
So maybe not as long in the pan.
Mhm.
It's hot. Maybe not as hot.
It's so good though. Can I be honest? This one tastes better than the one you made me like last week for lunch.
Hmm.
I don't know if it's because right now I'm hungry or what, but it's good. This is the one I'm excited for. This one's my favorite.
Sure wish I had a piece.
Look, it's only a little stuck to the stone.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Send this to all your college friends. This is an easy thing for them to make. And yeah, comment down below what y'all want us to make next. Nobody ever comments. Nobody ever shares. Nobody does any of that. How are we supposed to grow if y'all don't be doing your job?
Look, I got plenty of ideas. We just keep doing them. And I do have a request from someone. We're going to make gumbo at some point. Come on.
Anyway. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Get more of that
That
pizza.
jazz? No.
Get more of this pizza.